Good morning. Looks like the internet is barely fucking working. Barely working, so I have as least amount of windows operating. I have my trading account on my phone. I took a screenshot of it's currently $5,636,324, unrealized profit $46,512.23. A little flip floppy actually. Been a little flip floppy since yesterday. Pencil neck's been wiggling out of the woodworks whenever I have a loss. That's how it goes. It's all good. Entry is $62,525 on the dot. This is the screenshot I just took, made it as my thumbnail. This is my position currently. And I don't know, my internet upload speed's been on and off. It's been going from 10, 20 down to 4 and 5, and when it's below 10, I can't stream. I'm not going to share my leverage. Mixed signals on different time frames. Mixed signals. You know, I entered a starter long earlier in the night, and then I closed it, went to go sleep, literally halfway nap for like an hour and a half, 2 hours, if that. And then this came down to basically where I thought it was, where I thought it would go. If you it's been I was basically kind of expecting something similar, and 62 was exactly where we said we thought it would go. Let me see if I posted. I'm pretty sure I posted in the Discord. Let me see here. Oh, maybe I posted in the Market Cipher. Yeah, I put in the Market Cipher, but Um, mm, you know, so there's been a lot of immaturity. You know, our Discord, the Market Cipher Discord specifically, has gotten really big. And from the very beginning of this YouTube channel for over 3 years, in all my projects and Market Cipher and Whale Crew, I never would go into other people's communities and try to talk shit, try to steal, send bots. I always believed that, you know, I can build my own community, my own empire, and I don't need to try to steal and be dirty and bait. I just always thought it was a bitch move. It is a bitch move, and that's been happening in our Discord lately. So, sweeping bans. If you come into our Discord, I don't care if you paid for Market Cipher. I don't care if you paid for Whale Crew. I don't care if you paid me $100,000 cash. If you come into my Discord, talk shit, promote other stuff on purpose, bot, you're gonna get banned. And so ban hammers are here. They're coming, and it is what it is. So the community is a privilege, and it's tough. It's a really tough thing to manage. So yeah, if you go into any of my communities, you say stupid shit, you try to promote other products that I have not personally approved, you're gonna get the hammer, man. So that's all I have to say about that. As far as a target, well, I would say 60, you know, we're kind of close to a take profit I'm at here. I'm 49k up right now, unrealized. Let's take a look-see here. It's kind of hard for me to have a target right now, because there's a lot that can happen. But what I can say is we're kind of at a little. It depends on what kind of trade you're making. I actually might take some profits here. Let's see. Yeah, if Bybit price can get to 63.3, I'll take some profit. I'll take some profit. Oh, and I have a 10% discount code. MarketCipherTrading.com. 10% off. The music's too loud and it sucks. I'll turn it back down. No, the Discord's not down for everyone. Just people that said the wrong shit. all our mods and management went through, and it is what it is. But I do believe that we're going to be moving platforms. I'm done with Discord, and we're going to be moving. We're going to be derooting the nest and moving our nest to another platform, because Discord sucks. I'm tired of scamming scum that are, ripping people off, and bots, and just the ugliness, gaming and crypto shit. SoMe, that sounds familiar. I feel like I actually spoke with the founder of SoMe in Vegas. Him and his team, I think. AOL Instant Messenger. Those were the days. This isn't a problem. Much larger channels. It sure is. It sure is, bro. You have no idea what it's like running a Discord community then, especially in this space. Especially when you have pencil necks coming at you from every angle. Scamming scum. The worst of the worst. Evil. I'm not going to say which platform it is, but I think we pretty much have it decided. I'll announce it when it's time to announce. We'll send you a postcard. Yeah. Yeah, Discord sucks. I want Flop and Groper in the call with me. Do you guys want Flop and Groper on the stream? I feel like I need him. I think we need the Groper. Yo, I'm streaming. We're in the stream right now. Hang on, let me adjust the testing. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
There we go. I show my trades every single day. My internet is janky as hell, and so I have the least amount of exchanges and least amount of windows right now. Actually, the internet technician comes out today. I put the position in the thumbnail, took a screenshot of it on my phone, and showed it to you. I show my positions. Been doing it for 3 years. Not gonna stop today. Yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay. How do you think I got to where I am? Let's take a look. See here. Currently up $42,650. Yes, we had a $170,000 loss yesterday. Was up $200,000 for the past now 4 days. Lost $170,000 yesterday on the stream. Then actually took a $8,000 loss on another entry tonight. Good few hours ago. So technically, I'm down to 22,000 profit in the past 4 days. Unrealized, I'm up 40K right now. I am gonna blame yesterday's loss partially on streaming, because when I do stream, it's I trade differently. There's for many reasons. Yeah, there is a thumbnail. Oh, whoops, I didn't upload it yet. You're right, there is not a thumbnail yet. Okay, let me I didn't hit the save button. This is the thumbnail. This is the thumbnail. This is the position. $5,636,324 at 62,525. This is your thumbnail. Let me put the 10% discount code. Does the audience turn you more risk taker? No, the opposite. Well, maybe. No, actually, you know what? It depends. It totally depends, Alexandra. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Oh god, this song, yeah. Oh, I don't know how I'm feeling about the music. I don't know what kind of music I'm feeling. Alright, I don't think that's it. This ain't it either. I don't know the type of music I'm feeling. Yes. This daily pattern played out exactly as we thought it would, with the pump wave coming after this buzzsaw. Brought it up on BitBoy's interview last week as well. That played out. Now, normally it drops after it, but normally the wave's a little thinner, but it is the daily, and so wouldn't be surprised if this I wouldn't be surprised if that was the top. I'm actually gonna try to limit out here like $1 million here. I'm gonna limit out a mil. 2 500s. Forbes 500 said it's 62,852.50. What was my entry again? 6252. 6252. Oops. 62525. Okay. 500 taken off the board. I want to see if this VWAP's going to curve. What's going on with the 4 minute? 3, 2, 1. Minor hope on the 1 minute. We'll let it ride. We shaved 500 off. Current entry is now $5,136,324. Am I buffering? Okay, good. Did the markets open yet? Yeah. Boy, look at that trigger wave to the downside on Coinbase. Boy, I wonder if it's going to keep dumping or if it's going to bounce and skip. What are we looking at here? ETH. Whoa, no, they tight trigger wave on the 45 minute. Slightly decreasing flow of cash. VWAP to the upside. Will this zero line be resistance? Or excuse me, support? That's what ETH is going to be looking for. Because my internet is shit right now. I have as little as Windows as possible. I've been having internet problems for the past week, which is why I haven't been able to stream once every 4 days. My upload speed, once every 4 days for a few hours, I don't get throttled. So about every 2 hours for the past week, I've been speed testing to see if I'm getting throttled or not, if my internet's messed up or not. Was playing Age of Empires with my little brother. Did a little speed test just to see, and I saw that it was good enough to stream, so I took advantage of when I'm streaming in the past week, it's literally because it's the only time my internet's been good enough. But I got a tech coming out today to say they're gonna fix it just like last time, and it worked for a month, and here we are again.
I'm here in the background, man. I'm just chilling.
I need to order another new headset. Dude, I psychically blew my left speaker in my headset. I didn't throw it, but I got mad and like I grabbed it and like blew it with my psychic powers. It was fucking crazy. So now I gotta buy another headset. I go through
I feel
about
like you go through another headset like every
every
2
month.
weeks.
Yeah, dude. I just, this headset's not even a week and a half old. And I didn't even throw it.
I would too, man, if I had these pencil necks up my ass, climbing through my windows.
Yeah, there's a pencil neck in every nook and cranny these days. Boy, look at these tight trigger waves on the 15 second. I'm gonna take this opportunity to limit out another half mil. See if I can catch that 62,918.50. Another half mil at 62,918.50. Gold moving yet? Hey, 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 ooh. That's exactly what I thought it was gonna do. That's good. Ooh, look at that tight ass trigger wave. Come on, gold. It's about time.
People are asking about like bearish divergence on the daily chart and shit. The truth is, like, the bear divs play out, guys. That's just the blue momentum wave turns up, and it doesn't play out that hard because we're in an uptrend. So when you're in an uptrend, bear signals are more like take profit areas for your longs. You're not supposed to short. You want to be looking for bull divs.
This was the pattern we called out last week, where it comes down, 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 and pop. It has the pop. Exactly what happened on the daily. That was awesome. Called that shit out. Well, we've been in kind of this tight range here for quite some time here. Squeezing up. Squeezing.
The money flow has just been thick and green, and the weekly chart's still really bullish. We're still over the 60 line, so.
There is
That money flow wave, when that's green, it's like a volume weighted RSI. It's like taking the the volume into account. So if that wave is thick and green on the weekly, you know, which way is the volume going, guys? So obviously your bearish signals aren't going to be playing out as hard.
Watch the how to join the Discord video. The steps are all there. If you're having trouble, you email Discord at marketcyphertrading.com. All this, watch the videos. They're all on the website. Yeah, it's funny. I thought about. I was gonna tell BitBoy it's Valentine's Day. Listen, folks. I've been seeing it more and more. With Market Cipher, you're supposed to, with all indicators, you're supposed to look at the big picture. I see too many a time, people, but what about the blood diamond, or what about this green dot, or whatever, and they are so focused on just one little thing. Everything is there for you to get the picture. You know, you don't make a move off of one single indication. You want to have 3 or 4 of them. Yeah, that's right. Identify your environment. You want to identify your environment. Never showed anything, only shared ideas. That's laughable. We don't give a fuck. If you broke the rules and you're shilling other shit, I don't care if you're sharing or shilling. Don't give a fuck. You're banned from here too. Get the fuck out. Peace. No patience. I tell you what, everyone's always innocent. Everyone's always innocent.
Oh boy, here they come. The worms are coming out of the dirt after the summer rain.
Take it up with Groper. I'm not the one who went through it all. But, that's how it fucking goes. You know, in other Discords, there's other Discords where if you mention me, you get banned. And I have never gone into anyone's other Discords and tried to talk shit or say, oh, Market Cipher's better, you should go there. Hey,
Discord wars. It's Discord wars.
Yeah, so I never did that shit. I never mentioned my shit in any other Discord. So if you do it in mine, you're fucking gone.
Yeah, we're leaving. We're migrating. We're taking our people elsewhere.
Yeah,
Discord's a shitter platform.
Yeah, we're
it's getting raped and pillaged by
Discord,
bots and scammers and fucking
everyone's
leeches,
gonna wake
bro.
up. It's gonna be gone.
We'll send you a postcard.
Yeah, Discord sucks. It's like made for scammers. You can change your name to fucking mimic someone's even their number.
Here's a t-shirt. No, I mean we like having the community, we like being connected, but Jesus, like we pay for all these mods and we're just trying to help people and people just take advantage of it, man.
Yeah, and you know, it's people you think are cool, people I've shown personal love to. They stab you in the back. I hate it. I hate getting stabbed in the back. Trying to have a positive, happy stream here, but it's just the truth is boiling over. The truth is boiling out. It's ban hammers. It's time to clean house.
It was a controlled burning. You know, if the president of the United States can get banned from Twitter, then I can kick a few pencil necks and not have to feel bad about myself.
Real friends stab you in the front. Very true. Real friends fuck your girlfriend in front of you.
It was some Bill Gates population control, okay? Take it up with Bill Gates and Jack Dorsey.
Why pay for mods? Because it's a real job managing a community with tens of thousands of people and scammers and shitheads and questions and real customer service. It's there's the customer service email, and then there's the Discord. And so, we have paid people there to offer assistance in the products and services which you have purchased.
Oh yeah, the Discord's complimentary, guys. That's you have all the tutorial videos on the website. You have the support email.
Pencil neck control service.
Can't just come in flopping. You guys are lucky we haven't just been banning people just for flopping and groping.
Oh.
We try to keep it as a humbling admission, like, oh, I flopped and groped. Everyone flops and gropes. We could just be banned and everyone coming in here being dumb, but we do want to help people.
What do we have here on the 5 minute here? 3 minute, 4 minute? Potentially some hope. Maybe. Not bad looking. Boom. Looks like we hit my next 500 order. There we go. Okay, let me current position is now $4,636,000. What's going on with Charlie Lee? Okay, Charlie Lee's holding strong. What about Shitter Ripple? How about my new shitcoin portfolio? I have a shitcoin portfolio now. Maybe some drinking stories. Boy, I tell you what, I do feel like having a cocktail. I know it's early, but I'm kind of in that mood. Not gonna lie. I might just make myself
yourself a drink.
I'm gonna go make myself a fucking drink.
Yeah, guys, to me, I still see like the 5-day, the weekly chart, like the blue momentum's still over the 60. The money flow is still thick and green. So like, I'm still looking for like bull divs and taking profits on bear divs. But, one day in the future, this has to dump. And so the signal I was waiting for on the macro was the blue momentum wave going under the 60 line. A lot of people think like as soon as these big waves go over that overbought level, like you sell or go short or whatever. But no, like that's just when the train starts moving, when you enter that acceleration phase.
right, I made a cocktail. Listen, cheers, folks. You know, it's a tough business. And even though we deal with scum, betas, and all of us have dealt with it, you have dealt with it. When I see nudes that groupies send me, or the testimonials, the testimonials, it does make me smile and make me realize that everything's okay and this is a good thing and I'm a blessed man. So cheers. I appreciate your business, and we're doing the best we can to make the world a better place. And that's all I have to say about that. Cheers.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers. Thank you, brethren. Tell you what, we're not cheersing is this shitty internet.
Oh my god, yeah. How do we get that fiber optic?
I don't know.
Dude, I swear ISPs have not innovated in like 20 years.
They've only gotten worse. And they try to blame COVID, yet they fucking shut off my internet 3 times a week. But this afternoon I'm supposed to have some asshole come out here and figure it out. Here's the thing with Starlink. Listen, I went to the Starlink website. They don't give you a date. They're like, hey,
it's
okay, you can pre-order and maybe sometime next year. It's first come, first serve. I'm like, what the fuck is this? So I went to the Elon Musk Starlink website to buy their shitty satellite internet, and they don't even tell you when you're supposed to get it. So what am I supposed to do?
We need some military grade internet, man, not this like retail streaming Netflix shit. Like, what the hell? Look, there it goes again.
Speaking of, these shitheads just messaged me.
Are you confirming? We're confirming that we're coming out today.
Yeah, you pricks, you better.
Yeah, we ain't Netflix and chilling, you know what I'm saying?
I had them rewire my whole house, and that fixed it for 30 days. For 30 days! I couldn't even go home. For 30 days.
Of the past, I'm sorry, the past. We'll move on to the future. And I've told people about Kim Jong-un. He's all about the 21st century. He's trying to progress his country. And Donald Trump is going to do a great job in trying to reach out and make sure that our hands, Americans, our hands are always open, because as Americans, we have let so many people around the world join us to be happy in one country, that's the United States. And now we have really put ourselves on a line to reach out to North Korea, and they've been so gracious to me, my family, and the United States. So let's make this happen. If Trump could pull this off, more power to him.
Dennis, did Kim reach out to you or any of his people reach out?
To hide out for 30 days. I couldn't even go home. But I kept my head up high, brother. I knew things were going to change. I knew it. I was the only one. I never had no one to hear me. I didn't know one had to see me. But I took those bullets. I took all that. I took everything. Everyone came at me, and I'm still standing. And today is a great day for everybody. Singapore, Tokyo, China, everything. It's a great day.
It is a great day. This is a historic day.
I'm so happy.
You were saying to me...
How does that make you feel? What do you reflect on? So what are all the YouTubers saying right now? What's the community? Is everyone bullish? Are they bearish? Do they not know what the hell's going on? Does anyone else feel weird? I'm a little on edge, man. I'm a little on edge.
There's a rumble in it coming.
Yeah, I'm a little on edge, man.
Too many people desperate for a return. Not gonna lie. But government has lost the plot, and like, you know, this is really bullish. It's a really bullish environment for crypto right now.
The top is here.
I mean, honestly, the most bullish Crypto's vein-throbbing thumbnails are the most bullish news.
Man, that
Coinbase
guy
IPO is like
could
the
throb.
10th most bullish thing.
He's got like Dragon Ball Z throb, like, you know, when they throb with the X's on their heads. He's got to be careful. He might get a hemorrhoid and have to get his butthole sutured. I wonder how many times he does that, how many takes until he gets the proper.
When Crypto's thumbnails are just him like looking normal and not super vein throbby, then
You remember that's
then
when
I'll
he got
believe
his
that the bear
Twitter
market is
banned, when he
gone.
got his YouTube banned, he had a straight face.
Does he use the hardening tool?
You know what else pisses me off? Photoshop. I've tried to learn it 4 or 5 times in my life, and every time it's like trying to play StarCraft again. It's terrible. It's stupid in the way that everything works. You can't go back from what you did, and if you click this, it fucks it all up. It fucks it up. Photoshop, StarCraft 2. What else do we not like? Let's get it out. Air it out. I love Skyrim. Hate how there's not another one. I hate how the video game market sucks right now. And there's a handful of games that could really just do it right, but they don't. They're all small teams, the mid-max. No one's made a real Skyrim 2. That pisses me off. I just want a new Skyrim game, the same game, all new shit and quests to do. Is that so much to ask? Where's the CEO of that fucking company? Just make another one. Oh yeah, I've done every mod, every side quest mod. I've done it all. I hate The Witcher. I tried The Witcher.
Yeah, Todd Howard sucks.
Dude, Microsoft's buying everyone. They're buying Bethesda. They bought Shitter Discord. I might put my company up for sale. See if Microsoft will buy out Market Cipher. And walk the fuck away from these pencil necks. Put it on Kill Gates. Tell you what, Kill Gates will nuke the fuck out of them. I'm gonna have to call old Gilly Bill. You know, we don't need to say anything, but never mind. Half-Life, best game ever. Yeah, great engine. Obviously, that's another one that's everyone. They never made another Half-Life. That pisses
Yeah, wasn't
everyone.
that like a meme, like Half-Life 3 or something?
Yeah, Half-Life 2. Oh yeah. Super meme.
The G-Man.
G-Man. It's time to
The
choose.
Chum Toads. You guys are a bunch of Chum Toads.
Dude, so if I was gonna be a DJ, so I've thought about this, like if DJ face, like if I lived a life where I was a DJ, I would have, it's time to choose. It's time to choose. I'd be fucking smashing that sound button. We need to put that on my soundboard. Let me hit up my guy and tell him let me get the right clip. Okay, let me tell you, show you, for those who don't know. Okay, G-Man, time to choose. Sound clip.
Come on, Gordon. We've got.
Rather than offer you the you, if and comes round, apologize for us. This is where I. In the meantime.
What the fuck? I just want to hear the one line. It's time to choose. Is this it?
So I don't expect you'll have any trouble deciding what to do. If you're interested, just step into the portal and I will take that as a yes. Otherwise, well, I can offer you a battle you have no chance of winning. Rather an anticlimax after what you've just survived. Time to choose.
Yes!
Time to choose. Time to choose. Time to choose. Time to choose.
Oh, gives me chills. And then after he goes, it's time to choose. It's time to choose. Who are we gonna take? Let me see if there's betting on it. Let's go to Bovada. Time to choose. It's time to choose. You know what else I need to do? My card counting video. I've been getting a lot of requests for it again. I've been putting it off for almost 1.5 years now. It's time to choose. Boxing. Jake Paul's minus 190. Ben Askren plus 155. Close. Wow, I thought Jake Paul would be a little deeper. A little more of a favorite. Huh. Basically, you bet 190 to win $100 of Jake Paul. I don't know who I want to win, to be honest with you. I kind of want both to win. I want both to time to choose. Am I long? Yes. I've closed about 1/5 of my position. Currently, here, let me take a screenshot. It's time to choose. Time to choose. Shaved off a mil, we're at 4,636,000. Entry price 62,525. Shaved off a mil. Yeah, it definitely says in the title, high leveraged, high risky, long trade. It's not the fight we've been asking for. Good one. I'll take it. I know everyone hates the Pauls, Jake Paul especially. I like them. And I like him. And I like Ben too. Why shave off? Because we were at a spider line of resistance. So I wanted to take profit in this area. This is a spider line right here. And it was time to choose. It was time to choose. We ain't drinking coffee this morning anymore, Serious Ham. I've had 3 coffees already. Now we're drinking bourbon. Because that's how I'm feeling. And I'm going to have to make another cocktail after this here, dude. Let me go fill up another one. It's time to choose. Okay. Huge Jake Paul fan. Yeah, dude, I would love to go on that podcast. But a man can dream. At the same time, I don't yearn for fame, and that would really put me on the map. So, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I'm like, you know what, if my channel disappeared, I wouldn't mind it. Almost did. And as when for those of you that were here, 2 months ago, 2-3 months ago, when I was really getting slapped around by YouTube, I thought the channel was gone, man. And they even told me in all my appeals that it's done, and then out of nowhere they just brought it back to life. And it was 5 minutes after I came to peace. I said, I'll start another channel. My community is strong. My community will follow me. For we are strong. And I never yearn for more viewers. I have enough in my kingdom to serve them and be fine without gaining more. And as soon as I said that shit, 5 fucking minutes later, they sent me an email and said, your channel's back. If I had dates on anything, I would release them. Why'd they shut it down? AI.
Age strong together.
Title shit and putting the wrong words in titles and AI and then fucking whop over one over. I don't even check my email. Okay. This is gonna be impossible. Alright, I give up on trying to find that email. I don't know. It's time to choose. Dude, you are so right. Fucking, we've been so bogged down, dude. I'm such a piece of shit. I'm supposed to give away a Bitcoin, dude. And we have fucking things planned, and we just haven't done them yet. I'm so behind. I'm saying.
Okay,
Can you feel me? Can you feel me like just in both hands on my head, just pouring into my? I want to cry. I thought about that, Mugs, a few days ago. I was like, fuck, I'm supposed to give away a Bitcoin. I want to do all this shit. Should I just take the easy way out and give 50 grand to veterans and 50 grand to kids with cancer? But that's not what it was supposed to be. Yes, I have a discount code. So you came late so early in this. Yes, I have a 10% discount code. Early in the stream, all day today, I'm giving out 10% discount codes. Let me give it to you. I'm glad you asked. Market Cipher 10% discount code incoming. Oops. Let me put it in the description. Oh, Brandon, you'll be fine, bro. You gonna cry over 10%? $100, $50? You gonna cry over $50 or $100? Come on now. Come on now, Brandon. Brandon, I expect more from you. But, thank you for your business. And I tell you what, Brandon. Brandon Gazelle. What do you do for a living, Brandon, if you don't mind me asking? You know what I'm thinking, dude? That Richard Hart did the other night? Richard Hart invited the chat to chat on live stream with him. And I was there. I chatted for a few minutes. We've been needing to do that. I want to hear people in their market cipher experiences. Stay-at-home dad, part-time trader. How long have you been a follower of the channel? I am a Hexakin. But I don't really do much for the community, but I bought a bunch the other day to help. I bought the top to help pump the price for the second time. Just found me today. Well, you caught us at a funny time, that's for damn sure. If I discovered me today, boy, I wonder what I would think. Yeah, I really do want no, that's not true. Bob Martin before watching it. Market Cipher is bigger than me. People don't even know that I created Market Cipher. People like ask like, do you have an affiliate? People don't even know that I'm the creator. The #1 crypto channel promotes Market Cipher every day. People don't know me. The Rari's doing great. I've been driving it as much as possible because it's about to go away for the summer. Damn, Nikhil. Yeah. Well, at least he got to see me lose, so he knows that, oh man, my internet's going to shit. Is my stream buffering for you guys?
A little bit, bro, yeah.
Alright. Well, whatever.
Are you gonna cry?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, whatever. Deal with it. Let me try to close some windows.
Choose. Time to choose. Time to choose. Time to choose.
When you only have 2 options for your internet service provider, this is the phone call you have with the fuckers.
Time to choose. Time to choose. Time to choose.
You're screwed either way. I didn't lease my Ferrari, motherfucker. I handed him a check for the whole thing. Get the fuck out of here. Tell you what, I'll make you a bet.
That's called ownership.
If you can prove that I leased my Ferrari, I'll give you every single dollar I have. And if I can prove that I paid for it 100% with a cashier's check, you owe me $10,000. How about that? Bitch. Bitcoin taking a little dump right here. Ooh.
Willie.
Let's take a look see. What the hell is on my toe? Okay. Random dog shit. Okay, 62525. I'm gonna have to close this puppy.
You flash me.
You guys been distracting me. Shit.
You flash me.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Tight trigger whip to the downside. And it's let me try to limit out some. Okay, I got 1 mil limited out. 62652 and 62650. 500k a piece. Probably not gonna work. Nope. I'm gonna mark it out 1 mil. Just marked out 1 mil. Yep. Down to 6261. Limits didn't get filled. Had to mark it a mil. Let me try to squeeze on this knife another 500k. Whoop. Okay. Let me go to the smaller time frames here. Okay, so this is the Coinbase. I actually need to go to the Bybit chart for a more accurate representation of my position. Okay, 62525. Boom, we're right there, folks, and it's going deeper. Way down. Ooh, yeah, it's time to exit this position. For now, maybe. I really don't think it's going to go much lower than this, though. But that's just thinking without looking at the charts a little more. So let's do that. I wish I was as good as my bot. Tight trigger to the downside. Money flow is coming up, though. A clash. We have a clash. We have a clash. Coming.
What will it be, Mary? What will it be? Are you gonna flash me, Mary? You're gonna flash me?
The flopping gropers are eyeing that Shmee gap, dude.
What is the Shmee gap?
There's a Shmee gap down there at like 59, you know.
I do not have spider lines drawn on the Bybit chart to answer your question. Young one. Young one. Woo! Boy, I tell you, mixed messages. Okay, what am I at here? Oh, wow. I had, what? I had limits get hit. What did it go up to? What? 6.2? 6.52? What? 650 62 650. Okay. Okay. All right. Well, I have $2,136,324 left in the position. I guess I had two more half millies. Profit sets that got hit. I must have said, I don't even remember, but I must have said them on this candle. Go live with Joe Saz. Is Joe Saz live? Oh, thank you, Mahalo. I appreciate that. I do the best I can. How is Tron these days, dude? What's going on with Tron? Oh, it's TRX. Derp. Wow, 16 cents. They were at 8 cents forever. Damn, even worse.
I remember when it was at like 0.03.
16 cents Tron, dude. You know, we don't hear anyone talking about Tron anymore.
Not after little Miss Muffet thought she was Warren Buffett.
Put her whole stack into Tron. Y'all know about that shit.
Folks, if you haven't
What the fuck?
Exchange of goods and getting a loan from a bank or a new apartment if all your money is in crypto.
This all sounds really dangerous already, but I guess that's a price we have to pay to have total financial freedom. Big Brother can hear us through our phones already. It's bad enough that all the money gets printed from one place.
Exactly, my dear. You're learning so fast.
Read me another story.
Okay. Humpty Dumpty sat on a lawn as the market dumped and had a great fall. The prices were dropping, the gropers were flopping. Humpty Dumpty got liquidated and lost it all.
Liquidated?
Getting liquidated just means you were using too much leverage trading your cryptos. Some people are too impatient to wait for the market to go up or down a lot, so they use leverage to get more profits from less price action. But be careful. Using leverage means you are borrowing other people's money, which means there must be some incentive for them to help you.
What's the incentive?
If you predict the market wrong and it goes the other direction, there's a liquidation price, where if it reaches that price, you lose all the money you put into that trade.
This just keeps getting crazier and crazier. And what the hell is flopping and groping?
It's how we express our love when the lights go out. Oh! I'm just kidding, baby. It's just a term we use to describe all the people who are desperate to make back their lost crypto. They flood into our inboxes like locusts. It's impossible to help them all. But CryptoFace and I try our best with our BitMEX consultations to help them. We teach them about trade analysis, using leverage, Bollinger Bands, stop losses, market makers versus market takers, moving averages, etc. And if anyone wants to schedule a consultation, all they have to do is private message either me or CryptoFace for inquiries.
I won't even ask what all that other stuff is. Let's just read the next story.
Well, fine. Little Miss Muffet thought she was Warren Buffett and put her whole stack into Tron. Little Miss Muffet thought she was Warren Buffett. Muffet thought she was Warren Buffett. Muffet thought she was Warren Buffett. Muffet thought she was Buffett. Muffet thought she was Warren Buffett and put her whole stack into Tron. It went down to 0.03 cents as she sold to pay rent. She went long as a Chinese ching chong.
I think I understand. She put too much money in crypto?
Exactly, my dear. Crypto is still far away from mass adoption, and there's word going around of an altcoin apocalypse on the horizon. Shitcoins like Tron, Doge, Bitcoin, and Verge just aren't going to cut it in an overly saturated market. Right now, Bitcoin and Ethereum are really the only two cryptos with a promising future. Even Ethereum acts like a shitcoin sometimes, and even with 5x leverage you can still get liquidated within $5 in price movement.
Oh honey, I'm worried for you. I hope you're investing wisely.
You have nothing to fear. I also invest in cattle futures. I have a profitable YouTube channel, and I always use a stop loss with a clear entry and trade target, so I don't get Thanos and lose half my investment in one.
Alright, looks like we had a little action coming back up here. Boy, look at that. Bounce right off of my entry price. Didn't enter anymore. I'm at $2,136,324. Man, there was something on my mind, but I forgot what it was. Let's look at the side bets for the boxing fight. Jake Paul to win round 1 or 2 plus 400. Jake Paul to win 3 or 4, 425. It's gonna be a lot of money made on this fight. A lot of money made. So Jake Paul to win by KO, TK, or DQ is plus 110. See, that's the bet to make. If you're going to bet on Jake Paul by TKO, KO, or DQ, place plus 110. Not betting on the straight up for 190 to win by rounds. And then decision is plus 500. So just bet on those two, not the minus 190. Just do half on the KO, TKO and half on the 500. What the fuck? Dude, I swear these books are so crazy, man. This is why I love betting UFC. Because of weird ass shit like that. Because the public is dumb. In what video did you see Ben Askren looking good on his stand-up? Because everyone I've seen, he's going slow as hell. Okay, so let me explain that again. Right now, the odds straight up for Jake Paul to win is minus 190, which means well, it's just basically a 2-to-1 favorite. So if you bet $200, you win 100. If you bet $190, you win 100 to be exact. But if you bet on Jake Paul instead to win by either knockout, TKO, or DQ, that plays plus 110. So if you bet $100, you win 110. The other option is if Jake Paul wins by decision or technical decision, which pays plus 500. So if you want to bet on Jake Paul to win, instead of taking minus 190, you do half at plus 110 and half at plus 500. That's it. And it's only because the mass doesn't know what betting like props and shit is. It's insane. Insane that people would, if you're betting on Jake Paul, take the props. If you're going to bet $100 on Jake Paul, bet $50 on him to win by KO, TKO, DQ, and 50 on decision, tech decision. And you'll win more. How is that plus 500? Because it's decision. For him to win by decision is plus 500. So they're saying it's going to be a knockout. But his big ass is going to tire out. I think a decision is most likely. Probably. Or a knockout in the first second. Either way, that's the bet to take. That's where the money is for sure. Now, Ass Cream to win by TKO, DQ, or decision, they both play plus 350. Straight up's plus 155. So you'd want to do the same thing. If you want Ben Askren to win, split your bet on both plus 350s. If you bet 100, you'd win 350. Rather than betting 100 and winning 155. So if you bet 50 and 50, 355, 350's more than twice as 155. So if Ben Askren wins, if you split your bet in half, wait a second, am I right? Hang on, what was it? Yeah. So you're better off if you think Askren's gonna win, take the prop method of win, half KO TKO DQ, half decision tech decision, both play plus 350, rather than plus 155 just for him to win. Crazy. Steve Stevens. Okay, what's going on with the price of Bitcoin here? Tight trigger wave to the downside on the 30. VWAP coming down. I'm going to exit the rest of my position while I can. I'm going to mark it out 1 mil. Okay, boom. Now we have $1,136,324 left. And I'm just going to dump the rest. And all right, we're out of the trade. Made a whopping $23,000.
Oh, it's going up now. Oh, Jesus.
It's crazy to think that $23,000 seems like jack diddly shit. Why is my stream offline? My stream just went offline. What the fuck? Really? You gotta be kidding me. Literally, as soon as I close the trade, the fucking stream closes? These motherfuckers. Oh, it's back. It's back. It's back. It's back. It's back.
Throttled. It's been a weird day, folks.
Yeah, it was flashing my thumbnail. That was weird. Yeah, closing the trade took the bandwidth. That's what happened, bro. When I closed the trade, it sucked up what little bandwidth I have right now. That's ridiculous. I'm really going to give this guy hell when he gets here today. Oh, man.
Packet loss. We don't have time for any packet loss.
I know.
Packet loss. I'm not dropping my McDonald's. I'm trying to. We're trading millions here.
Ooh, look. It's down at where my entry was now. Looks like we got out just in time. Huh. Can I tell you more about the near market cipher update? Well, which update are you talking about? The ability for people that are going to be able to
Don't say it.
you know, I'm done. Great, live stream offline again. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's back. What do I do, dude? What do I do? It's daytime now. They're just throttling the shit out of me.
Dude.
This is fucking retarded. This is pathetic. And it's literally of the two ISPs, it's the better one. Literally, the other one is I can't tether my phone because my computer doesn't have wireless internet shit. It's a custom-built rig. Custom-built rigs never have wireless shit. They know that us nerds plug in an Ethernet directly. So I can't hook my computer up wireless. I can't get Starlink because they put you on a wait list and they don't tell you when you're going to get it. I have no options for internet. I have no other options.
CS flipping tables. I'm sure he broke his 10th headset of the year.
I know, dude. My headset sounds like shit. I didn't even throw it.
We need a GoFundMe for CF's new headset.
My mental right now. I need a GoFundMe for my mental. I have to go pee.
He's a poopy boy. He's gonna go cry. Look what you guys did. You people. I'm just kidding.
Alright, I'm back. Yeah, I do use Chinese headsets. Literally, this headset's $20, $23. It's the best sounding. Everyone compliments me on my microphone sound. And it's $23, and so I break them all the time. Shut up. They did not neglect. It's crazy. It's only happened very few times where I was in a random place not involved in a cryptocurrency thing, and someone recognized me. One was at the casino, and it was the guy sitting next to me. And he didn't even recognize me until he saw my phone and saw I was looking at Coinbase. Dude, I've gotten that before. I get Pauly Shore and fucking that other asshole comedian. Yeah, I exited my Bitcoin trade. Completely exited. For 23,000 profit. Tasty Trees. It's called a Bee Excellent. They have many different ones. There's a blue one I specifically get, but they're all the same. It's called a... I've never admitted this. I don't even want to admit the kind of headset I get because it's so pathetic. But it's called a Bee Excellent. Don't know what Chinese guy thought of that name, but that's what they named him. The final press conference.
First, appreciate you for showering. I know we can't smell you, but you look clean, and that's nice.
Well, actually, you know what? I don't wear deodorant, and I don't have body odor. So,
yeah, right.
Even though my hair might be messy, you will never ever smell me because body odor doesn't exist on me.
I don't believe
that's
that.
good to know.
I'm not lying. I'm not lying. That's the truth. You can ask my wife.
I'll have to. All right.
You can ask my wife. Okay.
Next.
I hope Jake fucking roasts
so
him
my
for that.
question kind of just, you mentioned the hoopla and not thinking of it as an event. Obviously, you're very experienced, with, pre-match trash talk and stuff. But I'm wondering, like,
shitty.
Have you noticed?
Yeah. Weak. Everything, there's no volume, choppy, weak. My BO smells like whatever I ate. Do you guys have that problem? That's not a problem, but do you have that effect? Like if you eat a burrito and, trying to keep it PG here, but, certain parts of your body might smell like what you ate. You ever notice that, or is that just me? By myself. Why is Market Cipher so expensive? What the hell are you talking about? My life's work all in one place, and you're able to get a 5-month membership for a few $100s with a 10% discount code. It's everything in my trading life I put into one place that has revolutionized trading, dude. Expensive? You're expensive. Tickus, thank you for your business. Please be careful, be safe, let the opportunities come to you. Don't gamble. If you want to gamble, go to the casino. Appreciate your business. Go get them. My entry was the green line. The trade is closed. For real. Thanks for the support, folks. Guess I can get rid of this line now. Way to go, Ryan Thames. Did I buy the Coinbase IPO? Yes, I did. Bought some Coinbase shares. I know you are. Most of you are the groupies that send me nudes, and I appreciate that. You do not have to have the paid trading view. It does work. The reason why I made Market Cipher was for it to work with the free trading view. That's how it started. I wanted all my indicators in one place to work with the free trading views, so I didn't have to pay for it. And then I just had a couple buddies use it, and it worked for them, and decided to sell it. That's it. So yeah, it works with the free version. I think it's time to end the stream. I'm out of the trade, but I saw that my internet was good enough to stream, and so I wanted to stream because I miss you guys. I miss streaming. It's been a tough week with this internet shit, but hopefully this guy can come out here and fix it today. I doubt he can, but hopefully he can. And we're doing the best we can, and I appreciate y'all. And if you're not confident, you don't gotta go into it, because there's always, the market's gonna be here tomorrow. Just wait for those confident trades. Let me fire out the discount code one more time. 10% off Market Cipher. Type in that code for every option. MarketCipherTrading.com. Good luck.